Hey John, it's been a while. How have you been?
Hey Alex, I'm okay. Just a bit stressed these days.
Oh, really? What's going on?
Actually, I need a small favor from you.
Of course, tell me. If I can help, I will.
My sister is coming to your city tonight.
Okay, is everything all right?
Not really. She doesn't have a place to stay.
That sounds tough. Why didn't she book something earlier?
It was a sudden trip. She had some urgent work.
I see. That makes sense.
She tried to find a hotel, but everything is either full or too expensive.
Yeah, it can be difficult to find a place at the last minute.
Exactly. That's why I thought of you.
What do you want me to do?
Can you help her find a place? Maybe a room or a small apartment?
I'll try my best. But I can't promise anything.
I understand. Even a simple place will be fine for her.
Don't worry. I'll check a few options nearby.
Thank you, Alex. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Just send me her details and contact number.
Sure, I'll send everything right now.
All right, I'll call you once I find something.
That means a lot to me. Thanks again.
Anytime, John. Take care.
You too, bye.
Bye. Jane, I need to talk to you.
You look worried. What happened?
My friend's sister is coming tonight. She has nowhere to stay.
Oh, so
I tried finding a room, but nothing is available.
what did you decide now?
Maybe we can let her stay here for one night?
Alex, we don't even know her.
I know, but she really needs help.
I'm not comfortable with this.
Please, just for one night. She has no money for a hotel.
All right, but just one night.
Thank you, Jane. I really appreciate it.
Hello, are you Alex?
Yes, you must be John's sister. Welcome.
Yes, I'm Sarah. I'm really sorry to come like this.
No need to apologize. We were expecting you. Please come in.
Hi, I'm Jane. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you for letting me stay.
It's okay. You must be tired after your trip.
Yes, it was a long journey. And honestly, a bit stressful.
Did you have trouble finding a place?
I tried a few hotels, but everything was too expensive or already full.
That sounds really frustrating.
I didn't know what to do. So I called my brother.
He told me everything. Don't worry, you're safe here.
I really didn't want to trouble you both.
It's all right. Sometimes we all need a little help.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
You can stay here tonight and rest properly.
I truly appreciate it.
Come in, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you so much. I already feel relieved.
Dinner is ready. Please join us.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
Come sit down. You must be really hungry.
Yes, I didn't get a proper meal all day.
Then you're in the right place. Eat as much as you like.
Thank you, Jane. You're very kind.
Here, let me serve you some food.
Oh, you don't have to do that.
It's no trouble at all.
I feel really bad for bothering you both like this.
It's all right. Sometimes we all need help.
Still, you opened your home for me. I won't forget this.
Please don't think like that. You're our guest.
My brother always said you're a good person, Alex. Now I can see it.
He exaggerates sometimes.
So, how long will you stay in the city?
Just a few days. I came for some work interviews.
That's great. I hope everything goes well.
I hope so too. Today was just a bit overwhelming.
Don't worry about anything tonight. Just relax.
I'll leave early in the morning, so I don't disturb you.
No rush. Take your time and rest well.
Yes, you can have breakfast with us before you go.
Thank you, Jane, but I don't want to be a burden.
You're not a burden. You're a guest.
This really means a lot to me.
We're happy to help.
Thank you, both of you. I feel much better now.
That's what matters. Now eat before the food gets cold.
Okay, this already feels like home.
This is the guest room. I hope you like it.
It's perfect, really. Thank you so much.
I'm glad you like it. It's simple, but comfortable.
Honestly, this is more than I expected.
You must be tired after such a long day.
Yes, I am. But I already feel relaxed here.
There are extra blankets in the cupboard. If you need them.
That's very thoughtful of you. Thank you.
And here's a glass of water for you.
Oh, thank you. You didn't have to do that.
If you need anything else, just let me know.
You've already done so much for me.
It's really no problem. I'm happy to help.
I was really worried before coming here.
I can understand. It's not easy in a new city.
Yes, but you made me feel safe and welcome.
That's good to hear. Just think of this as your home for tonight.
That means a lot to me. I won't forget your kindness.
Get a good rest. Tomorrow will be a better day.
I hope so. I have an important day ahead.
I'm sure everything will go well for you.
Thank you, Jane. You're very kind.
You're welcome. Good night.
Good night, and thank you again.
Good morning. Breakfast is ready.
Good morning. Thank you for everything.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well.
Have some tea and bread.
This feels like home.
What's your plan today?
I'll go to work and try to arrange something. Thank you again for your kindness.
No problem at all.
Take care of yourself.
I will never forget this help.
Stay in touch.
Of course, goodbye.
Goodbye. Dear viewers, if you were in our place, what would you do?
Would you let a stranger stay at your home for a night? Or would you try to find another solution? It's not always an easy decision, right? Sometimes helping others feels risky.
But it can also be the right thing to do.
What would you choose, help or stay safe? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.